Welcome back to the new era, where budget cars no longer mean boring cars. Today, we're taking a close look at the all-new 2025 Dacia Lodgy, and let me tell you, this isn't the same old no-frills family van you remember. Dacia has completely reimagined the Lodgy, blending value with style, practicality with tech, and even a bit of personality. Let's dive in. Exterior right off the bat. The Lodgy's exterior feels like a fresh chapter. Gone are the dated lines, replaced by sharp LED headlights, a broader grille, and bold creases that give it an SUV-like attitude. It's still a people mover, but now it actually turns heads. Interior inside, Dacia has stepped up. The materials feel more upscale, the layout is cleaner, and the tech is right where it should be. You get a crisp 10-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus physical climate controls, practical and user-friendly. Space-wise, asterisk impressive. Seating for 7, and even the third row isn't just for kids. Fold everything down and you've got over 2,000 liters of cargo space. Family trips? Sorted. Performance under the hood, the Lodgy offers two options, a punchy 1.2-liter turbo petrol and a fuel-efficient hybrid with a 1.6-liter engine. Both deliver smooth power, great for city driving and long highway stretches. It's no hot hatch, but it gets the job done comfortably and quietly. Off-roading, while it's no mountain climber, the Lodgy holds its own on rough roads. Thanks to improved ground clearance and optional grip control, it can handle dirt pots, snow, and slippery terrain without breaking a sweat. Safety Dacia's also upped its game on safety. You now get lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and even adaptive cruise on higher trims. Big leap forward for peace of mind. Trims and pricing: there are 3 trims: Essential, Journey, and the rugged-looking Extreme. And with pricing starting well below most rivals, the Lodgy remains one of the most affordable 7-seaters on the market. So here's the bottom line. The 2025 Dacia Lodgy is no longer just about getting from A to B. It's practical, yes, but now it's smarter, better looking, and surprisingly refined. If you're after value without compromise, this new Lodgy might just be your perfect match. If you enjoyed the review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What do you think of Dacia's new direction? Let's talk.